They invite me. هغوی ما راغواړي. They invite me. I sit beside you. زه ستا څنګ کې کینم. I sit beside you. You walk with her. ته د هغې سره ځې. You walk with her. He looks at me. هغه ما ته ګوري. He looks at me. It is moving fast. دا تیز خوځېږي. It is moving fast. We are learning پشتو. مونږ پښتو زده کوو. We are learning پشتو. They are helping us. هغوی زموږ مرسته کوي. They are helping us. I am drawing a picture. زه یو انځور وکاږم. انځور یعنی تصویر. I am drawing a picture. You are cleaning your room. ته خپله کمره پاکوي. You are cleaning your room. He is holding my hand. هغه زما لاس نیسي. He is holding my hand. She is smiling at me. هغه ما ته مسکا کوي. She is smiling at me. It is waiting for you. دا ستا انتظار کوي. It is waiting for you. We are sharing toys. مونږ لوبېته کې شریکوو. We are sharing toys. لوبېته کې یعنی کیلونې. They are listening carefully. هغوی په غور سره اوري. They are listening carefully. I am drawing a star. زه یو ستوری وکاږم. I am drawing a star. You are eating an apple. ته یو مڼه خورې. You are eating an apple. He is kicking the ball. هغه توپ لا لته ورکوي. توپ یعنی بال. He is kicking the ball. She is singing a song. هغه سندره وایي. She is singing a song. It is barking loudly. دا په زوره غپیږي. It is barking loudly. We are washing our hands. مونږ خپل لاسونه وینځو. We are washing our hands. They are running fast. هغوی تیزه منډه وهي. They are running fast. I am opening the door. زه دروازه کولاوهم. I am opening the door. You are closing the window. ته کړکۍ بندوي. You are closing the window. He is drinking milk. هغه پیسکي. He is drinking milk. The chair breaks. څوکۍ ماتیږي. The chair breaks. یا تاسو ویلی شئ The chair breaks. کرسۍ ماتیږي. The table shakes. میز لړزیږي. The table shakes. The glass fills water. ګیلاس د اوبو نه ډکیږي. The glass fills water. The stove heats food. چوله خوراک ګرموي. The stove heats food. The fridge cools food. یخچال خوراک یخوي. The fridge cools food. The soap cleans hands. صابون لاسونه پاکوي. The soap cleans hands. The towel dries body. تولیه بدن وچوي. The towel dries body. د دې سينورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره دا چینل PE01 سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.